Lately, I have been getting a lot of questions, different people asking me the same question. Please talk about what is real surrender. I've been sharing content on this channel for few years now, and I've always talked about surrender. But people are getting more and more interested in surrender now. Why? Because they have spent a number of years already trying to manifest a relationship or trying to manifest an outcome which they thought they can do via certain techniques, manifestation techniques given online, and they have not been able to do so. Some have been trying for 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 3 years, 4 years. It has not worked for them. And the bigger problem is that there is no progress whatsoever. Where they were stuck at 2 years back, 5 years back, 6 years back, they are still stuck at the same place. There is not much change. So, had there been progress in your journey, then that means you're doing the right thing. Because in this journey, things are not going to happen in a day or two. That is one thing, one clarity I will give you. Unless you have reached to the level of mastery, you have reached a certain emotional state, then automatically you level up and you will see things happening on its own. In fact, when those things will happen externally, it will not really affect you so much, but they'll be by the book only. Literally, they will be like the steps that are written for you. Two things you need to understand. One is manifest and one is surrender. First, understand manifestation. It means when something shows up, when it appears in front of you. And so the real meaning is that it has always been there. You have been confused by the use of this, that. It has always existed in your timeline, in your reality, but you are not able to see it. And when it appears, when it starts showing up, we call it manifestation. Okay? Surrender means to not worry. It's very simple. It means that you let it go and you have 100% faith that things will happen and God will make it happen. So you don't check over and over again. You don't look for evidence. You don't do things to make it happen, because you have faith that it will happen on its own. When it's written, when it's time, it will happen on its own. Until then, you need to have fun. How does a person behave who is aware that something is going to happen for sure? Think about that. That's exactly how you're going to behave. If you're not behaving like that, it means you have not yet surrendered.